आणि आज तुम्ही आमच्यासारख्या MSMEच्या लोकांना एक ग्लोबल प्लॅटफॉर्म उपलब्ध करून देत आहे की आमची कॅपेबिलिटी आणि आमची स्ट्रेंथ आज तुमच्यामुळे लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचू शकते.
Shridhar Navghare, Managing Director of ASR Group, was felicitated as Manufacturing Maestro by Ryoichi. Manufacturing Maestro celebrates the achievement of precision machining organized by machine maker and its 8 industry partners.
Zero से start किया है मैंने एक just small setup. I am here because of my customers. Always I am focusing pain area of my customers. That is my strength.
Today I heard a lot of information from the local guests here. A lot of people was talking about the passion they have in Indian manufacturing. Thank you very much. This was a fantastic show and I hope to join for the next one.